Good morning, traders. It's Tuesday, 14th of September 2021. Okay, what news do we have today? Already had the RBA Governor Lowe speaking, 3:45 a.m. So that's out of the way. Only high priority news really now is the USD CPI news, core CPI. That's at 1:30 p.m. UK time. So a few hours to go before then, but that's about it. So be aware of that around 1:30 UK time. Talking about the US dollar index, really interesting place now at this trend line. I was actually looking yesterday for this. We've had a double rejection of this zone here around about 92.85. Well, actually a triple once, twice, three times. You can see we broke this low here. I was actually looking for a pullback retest, but I think we might have got this tiny pullback there. Yeah, actually it was on a 15-minute look. Break, pullback, retest, sell off. So I can delete that now. So it was a very quick pullback rejection, and yeah, we're now at the trend line. So very interesting place now. Are we going to reject and see another move up and potentially another test of this zone, or are we going to break down and we're going to see a weaker dollar? That CPI news could possibly be the catalyst for whichever way this goes. So euro also at an interesting place at that trend line. Remember, the euro dollar is pretty much the inverse of so euro dollar is pretty much the inverse of the dollar index chart. Okay, so we've got euro dollar at the trend line. Now this could either make another move down or maybe an equal low, or it could break out. You can see it at the moment, the movement or the sentiment is weakness. So very interesting place now to just sit and wait to see where this one goes. Talking about euro, euro Aussie potentially is an interesting chart. We've broken out of this consolidation here. You can see this resistance here. We've broken out. We're going to look for a retest and a potential rejection there for an intraday trade long. So that is of interest at the moment. You know, you can use price action. Maybe you want to use moving averages. You know, that is totally down to you. But if we come down into this zone here, previous resistance, we can see maybe a morning star pattern on 15-minute. So morning star pattern is a 3 pattern reversal from sellers into buyers. Something like this here, 1, 2, 3. You can see sellers turning into buyers. If we see something like that here, then that could be a buy setup. Other charts of interest, S&P 4-hour, bearish at the moment, but remember weekly is a very, very bullish trend. I mean, very bullish indeed. So if we can start to see this start to change trend on the hourly, then good opportunity to buy. You know, we could be getting an inverse head and shoulder pattern here, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Let me just draw out what I mean. So left shoulder, head, oops, right shoulder, and then do that, and then we'll be looking for this trade. So change of cycle basically, low, lower low, higher low, then we make this higher high, look for the higher low, look to trade there for longs. So that again is one that's a possibility. Patience is needed though. Aussie yen, that's just something I am watching. We've had this lovely, look at this lovely move here on H1. This was through the beginning of September. Absolutely beautiful trading conditions where, you know, if you were spotted that, then money was absolutely you know, money to be made there. Now we're seeing this potentially a correction pattern, and I'll be looking for this to continue to the upside. You can actually see I've got an alert there above this swing high. If we break that swing high, that's potentially telling me that we're beginning another impulse to the upside. Oil, WTI, I'm just waiting. We've got this resistance here. Some people may have that drawn out, and it looks like price is broken out. but I've got that one, and yeah, we'll see. It's not my favorite chart, but we'll see if we get a third rejection of this trend line and we start to change cycle. I'll be looking for some sells there. Euro Aussie really is the one of interest today. Aussie Kiwi, very bearish. If we can get a pullback on this into the 20 EMA on the daily, then I'll be looking to sell into this level here. This is a really, really big level. Okay, big level. So if we can get that pullback there, I'll be looking to sell into this level. Obviously taking off money on the way and moving stops, because the closer we get to this level, the closer it is we could reverse. But Euro Aussie, I'll get this chart out to you ASAP. That could be interesting today if we see a rejection. Okay guys, that's it from me. I'll catch you later. Bye.